Imagine for a moment that you are in your garden. The grass is freshly cut, the sun is shining, and you are about to add the finishing touch to your green space. But how, you ask? Simply with the Ryobi 10-volt edge trimmer. Obviously, this revolutionary product is much more than just a gardening tool. It is a true companion for those who love their garden. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about its unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours right away. This trimmer is the ideal tool for gardening enthusiasts looking to give a professional finish to their green spaces. It is perfect for those who appreciate ease of use, versatility, and efficiency in maintaining their garden. This trimmer from the Ryobi brand, known for its quality and innovation, is a cordless device powered by batteries, offering unprecedented freedom of movement, no more tangled cables or limitations on your mobility. With this trimmer, you can move freely in your garden, reaching every nook and cranny, effortlessly. The unique color of this tool immediately sets it apart from others. When you pick it up, you will feel its lightweight of only 2.3 kilos, an undeniable advantage that will make your gardening tasks less tiring and more enjoyable. Its 30 centimeters cutting width is ideal for quickly handling large areas, while being precise enough for delicate finishes. With its practical dimensions of 2.5 by 1.03 m, this trimmer is both compact and efficient. And guess what? You can own it with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of customer reviews sharing their satisfaction. The assembly of this tool is required, but don't worry, it's a simple process that allows you to get acquainted with your new gardening companion. Furthermore, with a 5-year warranty, you have the assurance of a durable and reliable product. This trimmer stands out for its user comfort. The vertebrae design ensures a comfortable grip thanks to an adjustable front handle and a telescopic tube that adapts to your height and posture. The ergonomic handle with a large throttle trigger provides excellent control of the machine, reducing fatigue and increasing the efficiency of your work. The edging function is a major asset of this device. It allows you to easily switch from the trimmer mode to the edging mode, simply by turning the head of the device. This feature is perfect for achieving flawless finishes around your garden, adding a professional touch to your work. The adjustable cutting head with 3 positions allows access to difficult areas, ensuring a perfect result from all angles. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the hundreds of customer reviews attesting to its impressive quality and to order yours at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. One of the greatest advantages of this trimmer is Ryobi's V1 concept. This system allows you to use the same battery to power not only this trimmer, but also all your other gardening and DIY tools from the Ryobi range. Imagine the convenience of having just one battery for all your tools. The package includes the trimmer, but it is important to note that it is sold without a battery or charger. However, the quality of the components ensures a long lifespan for the device, providing you with excellent value for money. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, cordless. It offers great freedom of movement without the constraints of cables. Advantage number 2, lightweight. Its weight of 2.3 kilograms makes it easy to handle and reduces fatigue. Advantage number 3, adjustable cutting width, capable of cutting between 25 and 30 centimeters, suitable for different garden sizes. Advantage number 4, ergonomic design. The vertebrae design and the adjustable handle ensure optimal user comfort. Advantage in edging mode. Easy transition from trimmer mode to edging mode for a neat finish. Advantage number 6. Tiltable head. Allows access to difficult areas and ensures a precise cut. Advantage number 7. 1 battery compatibility. Compatible with batteries from the 1 range, saving on the purchase of multiple batteries. Advantage number 8. Durability. Quality components for a long lifespan. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1. Assembly required. It requires assembling the tool before use, which could be a drawback for some users. Disadvantage number 2. Battery and charger not included. It is necessary to purchase the battery and charger separately, which can represent an additional cost. In conclusion, the Ryobi 10-volt edger trimmer is not just a tool, it is a revolution in maintaining your garden. To order yours at the best price, learn more, and discover hundreds of satisfied customer reviews, click the link in the description. Your garden deserves the best, and with Ryobi, you have found it. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to